अभी हम आ चुके हैं पोर्टोफिनो के अंदर। तो ये पोर्टोफिनो की लॉबी है, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं। बहुत ही लग्जूरियस काइंड ऑफ वाइब यू आर गोना गेट हियर in Portofino, which is fully a family oriented hotel. Now I'm gonna show you apartment or mock-up apartment in Portofino. So let's go get inside. This is Portofino's one studio apartment. It's coming with the kids area. So this is the one bedroom. This is the view you will get here in Portofino. Full sea view. It's coming with the huge terrace because it's ground floor's apartment. So this is the bedroom. As you can see the size, it's really amazing in size. Let's go check the bathroom. This is the bathroom. As you can see, all of this wall belongs to wardrobes. On the other hand, these are also wardrobes. Here is your huge bathtub. And here is the standing shower. Here is a separate area for your toilet. This will be fully serviced apartment. Kids room also here as well. ये था पोर्टोफिनो अभी जिसमें हम लोग विज़िट कर रहे थे। ये इसकी लॉबी थी जो मैंने अभी आपको दिखाई। ये इसकी आउटसाइड वाली जगह है। और ये जो ट्रीज़ आप मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं, ये एंशिएंट ऑलिव ट्रीज़ हैं। मतलब कम से कम भी 500 साल पुराना ये है पेड़ है। 500 साल पुराना ऑलिव ट्रीज़, 500 years old olive tree. This is just behind me, as you can see.